So let me give you some tips on how to use It Feels Good conditioner so that it can stretch you for a very long time. All of Cadence Taylor Beauty's products are concentrated for a reason. They are little, but they last you a very long time because you don't have to use a lot of it, okay? So with this conditioner, you're probably used to squeezing so much in your hand and using so very much, but you don't have to do that with our products. When you combine our products with water, that's when it comes to life even more. So more water, less product, and it will still do the job. I have some of my customers that will put a couple of drops of It Feels Good conditioner into a water bottle with some water, and they shake it up and they use it for their pre-shampoo detangling. Anytime they want to use it for a leave-in, that's how they use it. But I will suggest you just put a little bit to use for that one session. I don't want you to hold on to that water bottle with that conditioner in it because it's not formulated to last in water that long, okay? We don't want anything growing in your leave-in that you've created, okay? So just use what you need for that sitting, okay? So that's how you can use it. That will definitely stretch it, especially before you shampoo. When you put it in, you would use about a quarter size first. Rub it in your hands. Make sure you work it into your hair while your hair is drenching wet. Most products do not penetrate your hair unless the hair is wet. If it's not wet enough, it's not going to go into the strand and do what it's supposed to do. So when you're conditioning, especially, make sure that the hair is extremely wet. Make sure that you section your hair and you take about 1 inch to 1.5 inch sections. Put the product on, water, and then comb out the hair strand, okay? Or that section of the hair. You don't need a whole lot. If you feel like you need more, add water first. And if you still don't get that slip that you're looking for, then add a little bit more product. If you are using it as a styler, just squeeze a little bit onto the surface or a napkin or something like that, and then just use very little. Use plenty of water. I cannot say that enough. The water it makes a big difference. I teach that in my classes when people are like, oh my gosh, I didn't know. Yes, more water, less product, and your product will last you so much longer. So those are the ways that you can use our It Feels Good conditioner, okay? When you apply it as a conditioner, make sure you go under the dryer with the plastic cap for about 10 to 15 minutes, or do your steam treatment if that's what you prefer, okay? Always use indirect heat.